Hey guys, I've been testing several best lighted mirrors for bathrooms lately, and today I'm sharing the winners with you. Let's explore why these are the ones to watch. Product number 1. Keonjinn 24 by 36-inch LED bathroom mirror. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you my first review of what I think is a total game changer for your bathroom. And that is the Keonjinn 24 by 36-inch LED bathroom mirror. Now, I know what you're thinking, a mirror, what's the big deal? But trust me, this is no ordinary mirror. It's a high-quality LED bathroom mirror that not only provides ample lighting but also has a sleek and modern design that will totally elevate the look of your bathroom. I mean, just look at it. It's 24 inches wide and 36 inches tall, perfect for a vanity or above a sink, and the LED lights around the edges provide just the right amount of brightness without being too harsh. Honestly, I've been using this mirror for a few weeks now, and I'm seriously impressed with the quality and the craftsmanship. It's so smooth and the lights are really energy efficient. So, if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with a stylish and functional LED mirror, look no further. Check the link in the description for active discounts on the Keonjinn 24 by 36-inch LED bathroom mirror. Product number 2. Rpoesx 40 by 30 LED bathroom mirror with anti-fog. Alright guys, so I've got the Rpoesx 40 by 30 LED bathroom mirror with anti-fog. Let me just say that's a mouthful, right? But trust me, it's worth it. Honestly, this mirror is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their bathroom routine. It's a 40 by 30-inch LED mirror with anti-fog coating, which basically means you'll never have to worry about steaming up the mirror while you're getting ready in the mornings. It's like having your own personal spa experience right in your bathroom. I mean, can you imagine waking up every day to a clear, unobstructed view of yourself? No more foggy mirrors. No more squinting to see what you're doing. It's just a really nice touch, and I've gotta say, I'm impressed. Look, this mirror is not just functional, it's also stylish. It's got a sleek, modern design that'll fit in with any bathroom decor. So, if you're in the market for a new mirror, I highly recommend checking this one out. Check the link in the description for active discounts. And let me know in the comments if you've got any other favorite bathroom essentials. Product number 3. WISSMIELS 24 by 36 LED bathroom mirror with lights. I'm so excited to dive into this next product, guys. The WISSMIELS 24 by 36 LED bathroom mirror with lights. Just saying that out loud gives me all the feels. Imagine walking into your bathroom every morning, and instead of just a regular mirror, you've got this stunning, sleek, LED-lit bathroom mirror that's essentially a mini spa experience. Honestly, it's a total game changer. The 24 by 36 inches size makes it perfect for any bathroom, and the LED lights provide this gorgeous, ambient glow that just makes you feel like you're in a luxury hotel. You know, minus the hefty price tag. The mirror itself is crystal clear, so you can get a perfect makeup application or a refreshing shave, and the lights are adjustable, so you can customize the brightness to your liking. Trust me, guys, this is one of those products that will genuinely make your daily routine feel more pampering. Look, I'm not just saying that because it's a great product. It's genuinely changed my morning routine for the better, and I think it can do the same for you. If you're interested in getting your hands on this amazing bathroom mirror, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts. Product number 4. Ratsamee 28 inches by 36 inches LED mirror. So, I just reviewed a fantastic wall decoration, and now I am moving on to a product that's going to help you look your best every day, the Ratsamee 28 inches by 36 inches LED mirror. You know, as I get older, I all want to feel confident and put together, and this mirror is going to be your best friend in the morning. It's a large LED mirror, perfect for placing in your bedroom or bathroom, and it's got a really sleek and modern design that's going to look great with any style of decor. Honestly, I was blown away by the clarity and brightness of the LED light. It's like having your own personal spotlight. Trust me, you'll feel like a superstar every time you look in the mirror. And the best part is, it's really easy to set up and use. No complicated instructions or technical stuff. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Wow, I'm really impressed with this mirror. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to start their day off on the right foot. Look, if you're interested in getting your hands on this amazing mirror, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts and to get the best price. Product number 5. WUENLux 24 by 32 foot LED mirror for bathroom. So I've been looking at a bunch of really interesting products, and the next one up is this fantastic 24 by 32 inch LED mirror from WUENLux. And I have to say, this thing is a game changer for your bathroom. Honestly, have you ever walked into a bathroom and just been blinded by bright lights or harsh reflections? Look, I know it's not the most glamorous thing, but trust me, this mirror is a total lifesaver. It's a 24 by 32 inch LED mirror with a built-in light, which I think is just genius. You can adjust the brightness, the color temperature, the whole 9 yards. And it's not just a novelty, this thing is actually really well made. The glass is tempered. It's got a nice sleek frame. It's just a really solid piece of equipment. And I love that it's got a built-in timer, so you can set it to turn off after a certain amount of time. It's just little touches like that which show me that the people at WUENLux actually care about what they're doing. So if you're in the market for a new bathroom mirror, I would highly recommend checking this one out. And if you act fast, there's actually a discount available in the description below. I hope our breakdown made your buying decision a little easier. Make sure to check the description for the latest prices and discounts. Catch you in the next one.